These animals have very dangerous yawns. Number 1, pelican. When it opens its mouth to yawn, it looks like it will swallow a human. Number 2, gorilla. They look very dangerous when they yawn, like they will chew you raw right away. Number 3, hamster. I used to think they were very cute, but since I saw them yawn, they seem more like monsters than cute. Number 4, frog. I thought these frogs' yawns would be very dangerous, but they yawn in a very cute way. Number 5, snake. Snakes look very dangerous, and they are also quite poisonous. They look even more dangerous when they yawn.